How to clear Netflix history. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can clear your Netflix history, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to clear your Netflix history, Netflix has two types of histories. One is the continue watching, the other is your past watch history. To clear your continue watching, you can simply open the Netflix application over here. Once you launch the Netflix application, just go ahead and then log into your account respectively like this. Once you log into the account, right over here you'll say continue watching for this profile. All you need to do is just tap the three dots option, tap on remove from row to remove a specific show from your continue watching. Once you remove a specific show from your continue watching, let's say you want to also delete all of your past watch histories so that you want to get fresh recommendations. For that, you will not be able to do from the app, but instead you have to open your browser, go to netflix.com and sign into your account. Then tap the three lines option from the top left hand side, then just go to this option known as accounts. Once you go to the account option, you want to scroll down to the profiles tab, select a profile of which viewing history you might want to delete. So let's say I want to select this profile here, tap on it, and then here you'll find viewing activity. So just go to viewing activity of that profile. Over here you'll be able to see all of the activities of this profile. All you need to do is just tap the hide all option, type on yes, hide all my viewing activity, and then they are going to get successfully removed. This way you can clear your Netflix history. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.